Ayoko, natatakot ako.
Sorry, kanina. Eh, pare, ang ibig ko sabihin, hindi ako nanghahamon. Wait, what happened? Kasi,
naman dito ba?
Hindi, tapos,
why?
Gumanan.
Remember?
Why was this weird? Why? They bumped each other. Why were they fighting?
buti na lang nandun ako.
Serious?
Nandun si Roy at ako.
Almost on you?
Anong balita?
Later? Wow.
Kuya!
Anong balita?
Wow.
Kuya, we can breathe! Kuya, we can breathe! Kuya, we need air!
I feel now.
Kuya, we need air, we need smoke coming from...
You know, absolutely, I wish to see fireworks inside the house.
Oh my
You
God.
know, absolutely, I wish to tulok.
What's the right
Hindi, ano mga si Kuya?
Firework inside, outside house. Tama ba?
What's the right term?
You know, I want wish. I want.
I want to make wiwi lang happy new
Gusto
year.
ko nga.
I will nakaabot ako ng New Year sa bahay.
Busy na kami.
Kuya,
Pag hindi kami nag-group.
Long. Di pwede.
Kaya pag hindi kami nag-group, stop, malulungkot.
To watch.
Bakit hindi ka nag-group?
Bigel, suko mo si ano, Alice. Bigel, suko mo nga si ano,
I want to watch the fireworks outside. Because you know, I'm gonna bless.
Ako na naman susunod mo na pagbibilang ka.
That's good. I miss it.
Of color?
Good job.
Eh, sige ko mo si ano,
Sinabi niya ni Bigan, ay ni Kigo ng plastic.
Sabi na malalaking mata.
Nangyari. Sabi ko sa'yo,
Denise, ito yung antay na lang sa labas. Antay na lang sa labas.
Mag-base na to. Daan. Ala na eh.
Sabi? Ay, sabi!
Kanong kami dito?
Pagpunta natin sa rooftop. Saan? Oy, Bigel! Saan kukuha ko?
Denise, mag-shot ka. Ikaw, para si Bigel, para maramdaman mo si Bigel kasi siya taga-tulang eh. Teka lang.
man. He says that we're plastic. The only reason why we're plastic is because we don't want to hurt his feelings. Oh, me neither. If he tried to touch me, I'd smack him.
I won't. Wag na. Hindi ko na siya humingi siya ng hug. I'll tell him, di ba plastic ako?
Just do it. I'm gonna do it. That's why I didn't want to. I don't like touching Kigoy. Okay. It's New Year's. Start new. Start fresh. Let's stop being plastic.
Iwaga at
I didn't hear any argument.
I'm counting the whole time.
1,001, 1,002, 1,002, 1,003.
How many times did you get out of the door? Did you really come out the door? Damn it, I missed it! Oh, sorry.
Hindi kayang paliwanag. Gusto lang.
Okay ka? Okay ka? I can't believe you. Where was I? Why wasn't I watching it?
You can't imagine me getting
No,
mad.
I just want to see it.
Ano ba ito gusto mo?
Really?
I was like, okay.
Hey, natatakot ka sa akin?
Hindi, natatakot na ako. Baka kung ano gawin mo.
Lagay mo sa tenga mo. I can imagine Slater getting
Me too.
Kasi in the confession room when we were...
It was the scene for the year.
It's
Scene of the year.
the tone of voice changed.
Go live! Kuku! 13 times bakla!
Are we allowed to do that?
Wag!
Wag mo na gawin.
Oh, yung time na. Sige, mag-modeling ka na lang. Mag-chat-chat ka na lang dyan.
Kasi yung nakakuko.
Sige, isuot mo lang muna.
Pagkatuko.
Hindi, kung natapos naman na.
Dito na lang sa labas. Kuku! Ha?
I dare you to wear that.
Ayoko ko. Kahit sa costume party ng